At first glance, Positano doesn't look real. Colorful houses stacked on top of each other, narrow streets winding through steep cliffs, and the deep blue sea stretching out below. It feels less like a town and more like something carefully placed on the side of a mountain. But Positano wasn't designed this way. It grew slowly, layer by layer, adapting to the steep cliffs of the Amalfi Coast, becoming one of the most unique and beautiful towns in the world. Here are some surprising facts about Positano. Number 1. Positano is often called a vertical town. Instead of spreading outward like most cities, it climbs upward along the cliff, with buildings stacked closely together. Number 2. Because of this steep layout, many parts of Positano are only accessible by foot. Stairs replace streets, and walking up and down is part of daily life here. Number 3. There are hundreds of steps throughout the town. Visiting Positano often means constantly moving between sea level and higher viewpoints, which is why it feels both beautiful and physically demanding. Number 4. The town's iconic pastel-colored houses weren't chosen randomly. These colors help the buildings stand out against the cliffs and were traditionally used to identify homes from the sea. Number 5. Positano wasn't always a luxury destination. For many years, it was a quiet fishing village with a simple way of life, far removed from tourism. Number 6. Its transformation began in the mid-20th century when artists, writers, and travelers started discovering the town. They were drawn to its beauty, isolation, and unique atmosphere. Number 7. One of the most famous spots in Positano is Spiaggia Grande, the main beach located at the base of the town. From here, the view of the stacked houses rising above is one of the most iconic in Italy. Number 8. The town is built on extremely steep terrain, which makes construction challenging. Every building had to adapt to the natural shape of the cliff. Number 9. Because of its location, Positano offers breathtaking views of the Mediterranean Sea from almost every level. Even a short walk can reveal a completely different perspective. Number 10. The roads leading to Positano are narrow and winding, often hugging the cliffs. Driving here requires patience and skill, especially during busy seasons. Number 11. Despite its popularity, parts of the town still maintain a quiet, local atmosphere, especially away from the main tourist areas. Number 12. The town's layout naturally limits large-scale development. This helps preserve its charm, but also makes it one of the more exclusive and expensive destinations in Italy. Number 13. Sunlight plays an important role in how Positano looks. Throughout the day, the colors of the buildings change slightly as light moves across the cliffs. Positano is not just about views, it's about experience. Walking through its narrow paths, climbing its steps, and slowly exploring its layers is part of what makes it special. If you enjoyed discovering these surprising facts, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Inspirich for more incredible places around the world. See you soon!